Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping with purpose. Gather RAW footage, layered PSDs, audio, and fonts into one root folder so links won't break. Once done, open After Effects and create a minimal project file. Make a simple composition to lock settings. Make sure to set your resolution, frame rate, and render codec before importing everything. This prevents mismatched comp settings later. Organize panels and save a version backup. This first action reduces relinking and speeds the rest of the process. Now you create the actual project manager structure. Run file dependencies, collect files, and choose the scope that matches the deliverable. While collecting, replace any missing footage by relinking to your organized root folder so paths are stable. Next, open File Reduce Project to strip unused assets and consolidate pre-comps. This trims file size and clarifies dependencies. Once reduced, duplicate final comps into a dedicated delivery folder and label versions. This keeps the working file clean and ready for export. Finish by rendering test exports and then the final deliverables into your 02 exports folder. Name files with version numbers and codecs so clients know what they are opening. Create a README that lists AE version, plugins used, fonts, and any color or scale notes. This prevents surprises when others open the project. If a plugin is missing, provide a proxy or the installer details and exact version. That troubleshooting step solves most relink errors and gets collaborators back on track fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.